So I'm gonna go ahead and just show you some new items that I picked up lately because I've been shopping, but I haven't been filming as much. So I wanted to just show you some of the things that, you know, I just picked up and let you know what I've been using and loving. So the first things I got are from my local Dollar Tree store. So I always go there to buy hair products like breadths and stuff like that because it's just, you know, $1, and I tend to break my breadths. My dogs will chew on them. They break while they're in my hair. So I try to pick up a lot of things like that from the Dollar Tree. So I ended up getting some claw clips, which are these here, which I love using these to put my hair up if I'm just having a lazy day, or if I'm just, you know, at work and I don't want to, if I just washed my hair and I just want to throw it up real quick in a quick bun, I'll just put that in there. And then I got some of the smaller claw clips too. I like those ones to pull my hair back and just kind of put it up top here. So they're just the smaller ones, so they're not so bulky as the big ones. Then I ended up getting some of the little snap clips so that I can, when I put my hair up in a bun, my hair kind of falls down here at the bottom. So I got some of those to help with that little issue. And then I went ahead and got some more of these little hair donuts. I got 2 of them. I always keep these around the house. My daughter will come over and she will steal them from me, so whenever I go to the Dollar Tree, I always pick up a few more of these because I use those a lot on my hair, and they're just really nice to do stuff with your hair with them. Really simple, really fast, and you don't have to really fuss. You just throw your hair up in a ponytail, wrap them around that little donut, and super easy. So the stuff that I got from Ulta, let me show you what I got from Sephora first. So I was looking at perfumes. I've recently been getting back into buying perfumes, but I don't want to buy like the big perfume bottles. So I ended up getting the DOLCE&GABBANA Pure Femme. It's this one here. I got it in the Rollerball. This one cost $29, and this is what it looks like. It smells so nice. I bought it without smelling it because I was just looking through, you know, some perfumes, and I normally don't do that, you know, buy something without smelling it, but it had such good reviews on it, so I decided to get the Rollerball, and it smells so good. It has like a vanilla-y scent to it, but it does, and it's kind of sweet, but it does have a little like florally undertones. It's super pretty. Something that you can wear during the summer and the winter. I've been enjoying this a lot, and I would highly recommend it if you like florally but kind of sweet smelling perfumes. This is a really, really nice one. And then I also picked up another one from DOLCE&GABBANA, which is, this one is from, I got this one from Ulta, and I got the one, and I got this one in the Rollerball as well, which is like this one here. So this one again was $29. This one has more of a floral scent to it, but it does have the sweetness to it. Not as sweet as the other one from DOLCE&GABBANA. This one is more of a floral scent, but the notes at the very end of the day, it has more vanilla in it at the end of the day. So I picked this one up. I had tried this one before in a sample, and I really liked it, so I knew what this one smelled like and was happy to pick this one up. And then I ended up picking up the Morphe bronzer kit from Ulta, and this was in Celebrtant, and I just did a get ready with me with this, so you'll be able to see how it actually looks. But it's the 2 bronzers here. You get a matte bronzer on one side, which is the darker one, and then kind of a shimmery bronzer on the other side there, and they just look super pretty together. And what I've been doing is just mixing my brush in there and then bronzing my face, is what I have on today. It's such a nice bronzer. I was looking into getting some bronzers. I do have a lot of bronzers laying around, but this one just kind of caught my eye. It was brand new, and I really like it. It stays on the face all day. I just got off of work. I've had it on all day long, and it's just, it looks super nice on the face. Bronzes up so nicely. It doesn't look over the top. I mean, I'm sure you can probably get it over the top if you want to, but for me, it's just the right bronzer for me. And I know they have like 3 or 4 different other shades that you can get it in, but I really do like that. I think that one was $12 if you guys were interested in that. And then I ended up getting foundation from Bare Minerals. Now, ever since I was 18, I wore this foundation just this foundation up until I was about 29 years old, from 18 to 29. So I decided to go ahead and pick this up again. I do have it on right now. I decided to get it because it was just something super simple when I'm having a lazy day and I only have like 15 minutes to get ready, which is normally the last couple of weeks. That's what I have to get ready for in the morning. So this has just been really nice for me the last couple of days to just throw it on my face really quick and not have to worry about it. You basically just put some of the little powder in there, you buff it on with the brush, you buff it on your face, and then you're good to go. I got my color in Natural Medium 15. They were having a sale at Ulta, so I picked it up again because I was just like, I remember how much I loved that foundation, and I'm actually starting to love it again. So I picked that up, and then I ended up picking up 2 of these here. So this is kind of silly, but the Poopery, I don't know if you guys have ever tried this, but I ended up getting the one in lavender and the one in mint vanilla. They were having a sale a while back, and I picked these up. I had been looking at these for a while. Our bathroom kind of sits right off of our kitchen, and it's just, you know, if you have company over and they have to use the bathroom, it's always kind of embarrassing, you know, for them, for you, the smell, you know. So this is super simple. All you do is spray 3 sprays into the toilet before you use the bathroom, and there is no smell whatsoever. I really like this. I keep one in my purse, take it with me to work, take it, you know, if you're going somewhere. It's super simple. And if you guys haven't tried this, or if you have tried this, you gotta let me know what you think about it. I think this works really nicely, and it's super discreet. I mean, it smells nice, and you don't have to worry about any other orders coming up out of the bathroom. I know it's kind of weird, but I thought it was a good idea to try it, and I've been really impressed with these. So I got 2 of these, and then I ended up picking up another oil-free makeup remover. This is one I always pick up. I was running out, so I picked up a new one of those, and I picked up another one of these Changing Magic Feet from Tony Moly. I did a full review on it last summer, so I went ahead and picked up another one for the summer because I really liked what it did for my feet. So I picked up a new one of these. If you guys haven't tried this, I'll link my video to that if you want to see what it does, but I like what it does. It makes your feet feel super smooth. I'm only using it once a year, but I do like this, so I picked up another one of those. And then I picked up a dark brown magic root cover up from L'Oreal. So I have to dye my hair at least every 3 weeks because my hair grows super fast, but I do have a lot of gray hair, and my gray hair always starts right here, and then I get it right here. So I wanted to try this out and see if this is gonna work. I haven't tried it out yet because I recently dyed my hair about 2 weeks ago, and it's starting to get gray again. But I'm super lazy about dyeing my hair. I do it myself because I don't want to pay the outrageous prices that you do when you go to a salon. So I picked this up so that maybe I can prolong having to dye my hair. I know it only takes about 30 minutes to dye your hair at home, but it still annoys me to death. So I figured this would help out with that, and in the meantime, and hopefully this works out and doesn't get all over the place and doesn't make a mess. Let me know if you guys have tried this and what you thought about it if you have tried it. All right, and then I ended up picking up a foot, what is this called? It's a Swiss Cover Crystal Foot File. So it's just a file for your foot. So I wear a lot of sandals during the summer, and you know, when you wear sandals, your feet get super dry, especially like the back of your heel. So I figured I would get that to kind of help that and remedy that out. And then I ended up getting 2 of the Smith, is it Smith? Flowery. I don't know who makes this, but they're the 6-in-1 files for your nails. It has the steps so that you can, you know, make your nails super shiny without having to use any lacquer on it. And I really like these, so I picked up 2 of them because they were on sale. And then I ended up getting some brushes from Morphe. I got 3 brushes from Morphe. So I got the Morphe M507. I already have one of these brushes, but I like this one because it's super tiny. So as you can see, the tip of this one here is super small, and why I like it so much is because it's so easy to add color right in the crease with this brush. I love this brush. So I picked up another one of those, and then I ended up picking up, let me go ahead and just open that up, the M124, which is just a flat crease brush, or a flat kind of packer brush. I know this is probably like for, you know, concealing, but I figured this would be really good for like the foil on the eye, or if you wanted to do a cut crease, because it's so small, the brush is, that you can get like a precise cut crease with it. So I picked that up. And then I ended up getting this one here, which is the M321, which is a kind of, it's not really a pencil brush. What do they call it? It doesn't say, but it's kind of another one of those small like blending brushes. It just has small bristles, and the difference between this one and the other one is it's a little bit longer. They're both different. So this one is a little bit longer, and then this one is a little bit shorter. So this will be more for like getting right into, you know, preciseness in like the outer V. You can probably smudge some mascara down in the lower lash line, or just, you know, putting, you know, really precise eyeshadow in the crease, or even blending it here on the top of your brow bone. Just really nice, because it's a lot thicker and more I don't want to say that it's stiff, but it's a little bit stiffer than this one here. So I got that one too, because I thought it was going to be really nice to, you know, just do some more precise like eyeshadow looks. And then I ended up getting 4 brushes from Essence. So I got the Smokey eye brush, which is kind of similar to the one that I got from Morphe. So this is the one that I got here, which is kind of similar to the one that I just showed you, but also it would be really good to, you know, get precise in the crease there. And then I got the eyebrow brush from Essence as well. And I don't know if I'll use that for eyebrows, but it's considered an eyebrow brush. And you know you can use brushes for whatever you want to. But it's just a brush like that. It's really stiff, so I like that. And I think it might be really good for, you know, getting a really thin line on your brows, or maybe even for eyeliner. Then I ended up getting a eyelining or an eye blending brush from Essence as well. These brushes actually were $1.99, so I didn't feel too bad about ordering them. The ones from Morphe were a little bit more. So this is kind of a big fluffier brush, so I figured I'd use this for like blending out shadows. And then the last one I got from them is a precise eyeliner brush, and I've been using the eyeliner from Pretty Vulgar a lot, so I already have some eyeliner brushes, but I wanted to get one with like a little, you know, diagonal line on it, so I figured I'd get that one too. And then I ended up picking up the Wet n Wild Lift Brow Brighten and Shape pencil. So I got this because Emily Noel uses it in her waterline all the time. So I don't have it, I've never tried it, but I figured I'm not going to use it for my brows. I'm going to use it like she does, and I'm going to use it in my waterline. So I picked this up just for my waterline. So she uses it like all the time, and I've been watching her use it for years, and I just thought I'm going to go ahead and pick it up. So I picked that up so I can use it in my waterline. Hopefully it works out for me the way it works out for her. The last item I have, it's pretty wet because I've been using it, is this here. So it came like this. It's the Beauty Smart Travel Facial Cleansing Brush. Came in a box like this from Ulta. I think it costs like $12. So it's this brush here. On this side it has a silicone brush, and on this side it has like the little, you know, brush, and then it has a little case that you can put it in your bathroom, and then it will dry itself out for you because it has like holes in it. But I like this. So I seen another YouTuber using this. She was talking about getting one from Sephora, I believe, and I looked at it and I was like, wow, that's really cool. And I ended up going to Sephora after she had mentioned it. I'll put her channel down below so you know who she is. But after she mentioned it, I put it in my box and I never bought it. And then I seen that they had one on Ulta, and you know how I am with Ulta. They have points. You can earn money when you shop at Ulta, so I picked it up there. This is really nice. What I like to do is just squirt some soap on it here, and then rub the silicone one all over my face, wash off my face, and then take the brush and then rub it again with a little bit of, you know, soap. What I've noticed is it really does clean up like your pores. It makes sure that everything is off your face. It's just a super nice brush. So I'm really excited that I picked that up. I'm happy that she mentioned it on her channel. And again, I'll put her information down below and up here for you to know who she is, so you can go watch her channel. But she did a really good job with that, and I'm really excited. I didn't pick up the one from Sephora, I picked up the one from Ulta, but it works just as well, so I'm really happy to have that. I ended up getting the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Waters in the flavored ones. So I ended up getting the green tea one and then the citrus one. So I ended up picking up these two as well because those were on sale. So those are the last things that I got. So I have been shopping, picking up a few things here and there. but those were everything that I picked up in the last couple of months. So I wanted to show you guys, share with you guys. If you guys have any questions about anything that I picked up, want to know how I'm liking things, if I remember, I will try to do a video at some point mentioning some of these items that I've been using and let you know what I think about them. If not, I'll definitely do like an empties video like I do sometimes every 3 or 4 months to let you know what things have been working for me and what things haven't. And just, you know, if I forget to tell you how things work out for me, just put it down below, or don't forget to ask me and I'll tell you if they've been working out for me. But that was everything I got, guys. Let me know if you have any questions. I should talk to you guys hopefully sometime within the week, and we'll talk to you later. Bye bye.